Soumya Tomar, a student of Aravali College of Engineering and Management. I am here to represent my research paper on strategies of employee retention, and my research guide is Mrs. Shivangi Sharma. Throughout the video, I am going to cover objective of the study, literature review, research methodology, data analysis and interpretation, and conclusion of the study. The main purpose of the study to know current trends companies are using to retain their employees, and also to know the future scope of employee retention strategies. Literature review. I have taken two researchers. First researcher is Mr. Bhatnagar, who has cited in his research that there are different reasons for employee attrition, that is dissatisfaction of internal job shifting, work values, and finally dissatisfaction with the compensation. Second researcher is Mr. Patrick M. Wright. In his research papers, he has cited that training is the most important factor for employee retention. It also increases commitment and faithfulness of employees towards the organization. The research gap is within the change in era. Attitudes of youngsters and old people are changing towards their job, so companies should adopt strong factors to retain their employees. Moving further, research methodology. Research design used is descriptive and exploratory research design. Sample size is 64 respondents. Sampling technique is random sampling technique, and data collection source is primary and secondary data collection sources. Moving to data analysis and interpretation. Analysis of 3R, that is recognition, respect and reward. 2% people believe that it increased retention all the times. 34% believe that it increased retention most of the time. 15% believe that it sometimes it does, and 46% believe that it never increased the employee retention. 81% believe and 19% does not believe that incentive and perks increase the employee retention. So, the conclusion of the study is that rewards and recognition should be used as a strong motivational factor to retain their employees for a long time. Thank you.